Our land is our food basket. It's how we grow the produce to feed our growing nation. Poor land practices and the impact of climate change are robbing the land of its riches. Valuable topsoil is being washed away, and we now import too much of what we need to eat. But proper land use practices and policies and climate-smart techniques can retain the nutrients in the soil, feed our natural water retention systems, and bring new life to our food basket. New crops, new methods, and the better use of our natural resources can protect our food sources from the impact of climate change, filling our food basket once again with fresh, local, nutritious crops and boosting our livelihoods and economy. We can protect our island from the impact of climate change and feed our families. After all, this is our home, our island. A message of hope from Island Resilience and the station promoting a climate of change. The Climate Change Adaptation and Sustainable Land Management Initiative of the OECS Commission, funded by the European Union. Visit islandresilience.org for more information.